An estimated 2 million patients worldwide are affected by kidney failure, and hundreds of thousands of patients waiting for kidney transplants worldwide. Despite this, only few thousand transplants are conducted each year, with others on waiting lists dying each year without ever receiving transplant. Hello friends, welcome to FacTime. Today, let us know about 3D kidney printing technology. This is the reality of the situation. However, a combination of 3D bioprinting and stem cell based tissue engineering could turn the tide and provide novel ways to treat chronic kidney disease. Today, Trestle Bio, a new startup, is working on building functional kidney tissue for renal repair and replacement therapy. Harvard's Office of Technology Development has granted the firm a license to commercialize a suite of stem cell and 3D bioprinting based kidney regenerative medicine technologies developed at these universities. So friends, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe to our channel FacTime. And don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest updates. Give us your valuable comments in the comment section below.